So let's do a quick little video on tracing by colour. So this is a logo I got last week that I had to replicate. So if I come in and select my trace area, I draw a box over the image. You can see it's going to pick up the green without any problems whatsoever. So I can hit trace on that one. And there we go. Now the yellow. So if I come over to trace by colour, highlight the yellow. You can see it's lit up there. I ask it to do all areas. I increase my tolerance just slightly and go trace. If I move my image off, you can see I've got the yellow and the green all ready to cut in two separate colours to do the logo. So